Here, at the break of day, the rhythm of the harvest begins. A seamless integration of tradition.
From the lush tropical groves to the industrial heart of the factory, the journey of palm sugar is a continuous stream of sweetness. This delicate process begins with skilled hands meticulously trimming and scoring the palm stalks high above the...
From the grove at dawn to the evaporator at noon, this sweetness engine works around the clock, delivering pure palm sugar to your shelf by morning.
As the sun rises over the grove, the disciplined rhythm of the harvest begins. Workers move.
As we glide left to right, the visual language evolves from heritage forms to contemporary retail formats.
The moment the sap is collected, it is filtered and stabilized.
From the bubbling syrup to the cooling molds, we witness the crystallization process at a macro level, revealing the intricate textures of palm sugar.
The collection crews work tirelessly, moving the valuable sap along marked service roads directly to the factory intake.
Tracing the energy pathways, we follow the heat into the kettles and the syrup through the pipes. The factory's real product.
The transition from field collection to industrial handling begins as the fresh palm sap is carefully...
From the delicate harvesting in the grove to the vast systems of the factory, industrial scale depends entirely on precise human action.
Even a traditional sweetener starts its industrial life on strict laboratory oversight, ensuring every batch meets the highest standards.
From the plantation to the checkout, every stage of the palm sugar supply chain is meticulously monitored.
The sap moves through the coarse filters and into these clarifier vessels, removing impurities and stable.
By closing the material circle, the factory and the grove operate as one renewable cycle.
As the foam and impurities are meticulously removed, the ancient process of sugar refinement meets modern.
Far from just a rustic sweetener, palm sugar is now a versatile industrial platform, found in everything from gourmet design.
The buffer stage ensures the factory's large thermal systems receive a steady, predictable liquid feed.
From the moment the palm is tapped, the sap is quickly transported, clarified, and crystallized. It is then filtered.
The clarified sap enters the evaporator train, where steam and vacuum systems begin the crucial process of... From the glossy retail pack, we trace the sugar's journey backward through the crystallizers and the boiling syrup.
Here in the vacuum concentration chamber, the sap is carefully thickened. This precise process preserves. From the factory floor to our tables, palm sugar is finding its way into every aspect of modern life, sweetening everything from pastries to daily coffee.
The thickening palm syrup undergoes strict quality control. Brix analyzers and viscosity tests guarantee industrial.
From a single spoonful of sweet indulgence, we trace the journey back through the vast industrial ecosystem.
The audio features an English documentary narrator speaking over the soundscape. Given the context of the prompt,
The process is a seamless engineered flow. The sap is collected, filtered, and concentrated into crystals.
The line reads like a giant confectionery engine, built around traditional sweetness.
The camera flows through the plant's unseen systems, proving that palm sugar depends on heat, water. From the kettles, the molten gold is precisely routed through these heated pipes, splitting into separate streams bound for crystallization and molding.
As we move along the knowledge wall, we see the transformation from sap to syrup, then into various forms.
Inside the crystallization vessel, the concentrated palm syrup cools and thickens. The agitators.
Across the entire chain, from the hands of the harvester to the massive evaporators, human tradition meets industrial precision. As the camera glides along the molding line, hot syrup fills each cavity in exact portions.
This continuous timeline showcases the entire process, transforming raw palm sap into the rich, granular... The camera tracks the trays entering the cooling tunnel, where the sugar gradually sets. Operators monitor the temperature.
A solitary grain of palm sugar Yet behind it stands an astonishingly tangible industrial process, linking field to table.
Any imperfect pieces are quickly identified and removed, while the empty molds are recycled back to the start of the process.
A synchronized economic rhythm drives the journey of palm sugar. From industrial production and shippings through a process of exact conditioning and fluidized drying, the wet crystal mass is transformed into a uniform, pourable sweetener.
The journey of palm sugar is a study in interconnectedness, from the sap collection in the groves through industrial refinement.
The sieving system separates the granules into fine, medium, and coarse fractions. Oversized.
The finished product on the shelf belies a complex industrial journey. But before the factory, before the
granulated palm sugar is portioned with exact fill control. This high-speed line transforms traditional.
From the moment the palm is tapped, an intricate process begins. The industrial scale ensures this natural
Here in the packing room, the freshly molded palm sugar blocks move swiftly down the line. Advanced machine.
From the moment the golden sap is tapped in the groves, through the modern processing halls, this traditional sweetness finds its.
The bright LEDs illuminate this commercial-scale operation. Palm sugar flows from the hoppers into industrial sacks.
This vast, disciplined, and beautifully integrated system transforms an ancient tropical sweetness into.
This traditional sweetener exits the factory only after passing through the most stringent modern food safety protocols.
In the final stage, advanced robotic palletizers meticulously stack the finished palm sugar.
The automated stretch wrapping system secures the palm sugar, applying clear film in smooth spirals.
Despite the massive scale, the flow here is steady and calm. This logistics hub ensures the diverse.
The factory's commitment to circular use means nothing goes to waste. Here, the fibrous resin.
The syrup leaves the heated tank and is precisely filled into bottles. This efficient side stream allows the creation of a.
The sugar is tracked through fine milling and classification, becoming smoother and more uniform. This broadens the
The scene reveals yet another branch of product innovation, built from the same sweet base.
Industrial sweetness depends on rigorous hygienic discipline. Here in the corridor, workers complete the exact food safety routine before the syrup halls. As the cycle concludes, the cleaning crew begins the precise sanitation washdown. This tightly engineered, the powerful thermal backbone of the factory relies on these systems, with control valves constantly adjusting flow to match production demand. As much as sap and heat, industrial palm sugar depends on these controlled water systems, with operators monitoring flow and quality in real time.
Inside the central control room, every stage of the palm sugar process, from sap receiving to logistics, is monitored.
While quieter, the night operations are no less critical. Here, the raw sap begins its. Despite the late hour, the disciplined shift work ensures the brown sugar continues its journey through the drying and packing process. The finished goods stream, now diversified, leaves the plant ready for national distribution to regional hubs.
Here in the Regional Distribution Center, palm sugar shipments are meticulously sorted. The product flows into distinct bins.
From the factory floor to the supermarket aisle, the diversity of these palm sugar products fills several retail niches.
The bulk palm sugar is carefully transferred into the mixers, where it is blended with measured precision. While the factory operates on a grand scale, the finished product supports the small, premium experiences we offer every day.
In this vibrant kitchen, the versatility of palm sugar is on full display.
The checkout lane turns a complex industrial process into a familiar shopping moment, completing the consumer end of the full palm sugar supply chain.
This is the morning flow montage, a precise agricultural industrial liquid chain moving the raw palm sap from the tree to the factory clarification tanks.
Through a series of thermal and fluid engineering stages, the pale sap darkens, eventually becoming the rich, concentrated syrup you see here.
From hot syrup to shimmering crystals, the factory processes palm sugar into multiple formats.
This is how traditional sweetness becomes a fully modern commercial network, moving efficiently from the warehouse directly to the store shelf and cafe.
Minutes. The transformation begins with the raw sap, progressing through crystallization into fine granules, dense.
This journey backward reveals the hidden liquid chain behind a simple sweetener pouch, blending engineering with the natural bounty of the Dawn Grove. The journey of the palm syrup begins not in the cafe, but deep within these state-of-the-art facilities. From the grove to the factory floor, every step of the palm sugar journey is captured in this remarkable cross-section. The journey from sap to crystal is a race against time, a continuous industrial rhythm that never stops.
From the canopy to the checkout lane, every stage of palm sugar production depends on a synchronized workforce.
Behind the traditional sweetness lies a complex industrial backbone. These boilers and steam systems.
The scene proves that product consistency across many formats depends on rigorous scientific control from beginning to end.
From the grocery aisle to your morning coffee and the finest restaurant kitchens, palm sugar is an essential ingredient in daily life.
A journey that begins with a simple spoonful in a home kitchen rapidly traces back through a complex, highly organized industrial system. As the sap hits the evaporators, it quickly transforms into a rich syrup, then crystallized into the fine sugar you see bagged for the shelves.
The continuous flow from sap to syrup, then crystallized into sugar, powers an intricate global economy.
The factory is more than just a sugar producer. It's a hidden flavor supplier across modern food systems.
The process transforms the raw sap first into a rich syrup, then granulated sugar, and finally.
Tracing the process in reverse, from the solid crystalline block through the boiling kettles and evaporators,
the montage reveals how the factory converts this highly perishable raw sap into a stable, modern pantry ingredient.
The journey begins with the careful collection of sap. Through clarification and vigorous boiling, the syrup thickens. The continuous ribbon of sap is first filtered, then moves to vacuum concentration.
Shipped in bulk and sold in stores, our palm sugar is embraced by baristas and home cooks alike, proving its place in kitchens everywhere. This monumental cross-section reveals the entire sweetness ecosystem, a journey from the palm grove through a full day of operations compressed into moments, showcasing the industrial rhythm, from fresh sap in the grove.
This support system montage reveals the hidden infrastructure. Boilers, water treatment.
Though the environments differ radically, from the canopy to the checkout, every worker contributes to the continuous journey of the product. The journey backward reveals the immense industrial scale behind this simple food. Tracing the path from the retail, this is the final forward surge. The tapped palm sap is collected, filtered, and concentrated, moving swiftly along the industrial pathway. The camera glides calmly, making the versatility of palm sugar unmistakable. This scene reveals the immense.
From the amber glaze on these pastries to the rich syrups in our drinks, palm sugar provides a depth of flavor unlike any other.
The process transforms the raw palm sap first into a clarified liquid, then a concentrated syrup. This is then crystallized.
From the ancient groves to the gleaming factory floor, we are witnessing the transformation of old sweetness achieving a new scale.
The scene shows the factory's sweetness entering the wider food industry as a strategic ingredient network. From local tradition to international premium markets, the factory ensures every shipment meets exact.
90 West. The logistics team ensures every pallet is meticulously checked and weighed, the final crucial step before.
The scene shows how industrial production can still end in a product positioned as artisanal and luxurious.
The standardized quality of our palm sugar allows for refined culinary expression, as the chefs utilize the consistent.
This palm sugar is exquisite. It balances the sweetness perfectly.
I'm glad you like it, Mother.
The visual hierarchy flips as we trace the journey backward, revealing the depth of manufacturing behind this. This is the ecosystem of sweetness, a complex, coordinated journey from the tropical palm grove to your very own kitchen table.
Tapped at sunrise, boiling by noon, and packaged overnight, this sweetness engine never stops running.
While the formats evolve from traditional blocks to modern pouches and industrial sacks, the authentic sap origin remains the same. This extreme macro view reveals the secret life of palm sugar, from thick syrup to the formation of these perfect, textured crystals. The camera traces the energy and material pathways through the plant. Heat flows into the kettles, the contrast becomes the story here. Industrial scale still depends entirely on precise human actions at these critical points. From the moment the sap is collected, data flows seamlessly, connecting plantation root boards to retail stock levels across the globe. The byproduct loop ensures that non-sugar residues are recovered and reused, closing the material circle and enriching the soil.
From industrial beverage plants to artisanal cafes, palm sugar is proving to be a versatile ingredient platform.
From the moment the sap is collected, the process is continuous. Through clarification and concentration,
we reverse the chain, moving backward from the finished product through the factory floor, the evaporator,
and inside the palm sugar factory, a giant panoramic reveal of modern life powered by palm sweetness.
A simple indulgence with a vast chain behind it. From this warm dessert, we trace the sweetness.
The journey from palm flower to packaged product is a seamless industrial flow, where traditional sweetness is engineered.
As the camera moves through the plant's unseen systems, it becomes clear that palm sugar relies just as much on heat, water.
This display illustrates the complete value chain of the palm, from the initial sap through various forms of sugar, down.
From the delicate hands collecting sap in the field, to the massive evaporators of the factory, the journey.
From the moment the palms are tapped in the grove, the sap is collected and refined. It travels through evaporation.
This single grain is evidence of an astonishingly tangible industrial scale, revealing the vast.
This is the rhythm of commerce, a living system where palm sugar journeys from the heart of the factory through distribution.
From the grove to the factory floor, the process is seamless. It is a journey that connects agriculture, industry, and the consumers.
This incredible reverse journey takes us from the polished retail product through the heart of the factory's crystallizers and evaporators. A grand panorama of sweetness, tracing the path from the palm groves to the heart of modern kitchens and cafes.
This seamless panorama shows how traditional sweetness go fully industrial, a beautifully integrated system.